Track sounds.
What's good, people? Welcome back. Yes, I did take them out. I recorded a little bit of it, but you know, hey. You got the gist of it, just a bunch of unraveling. Basically, I had about 3 locks per roll, barrel, twist, whatever you want to call it. 3 locks per, I had 4 of them, so 12 of them. They was wrapped around to secure it. So, the only thing is I got a few of them that look like curly fries at the end. Of course, those curls will fall out after a little bit, you know. No complaints here. Still looking good with it, you know. I still got this seborrheic returning in there and still, still got this dryness up here. There's nothing I can't take care of, you know what I'm saying. I did use that Earl that I have. You know what I'm saying? Am I looking good in the back? Am I alright? Am I alright? Am I not? Might be a little frizzy, I don't know. I don't look at it too often. I don't really worry about it that much. But I am trying to get used to his hair getting longer. Bruh. You should be getting up under my arm and all that. But yeah. Hair doing good, hair doing great. Still smelling good. No complaints over here. It's been a week since I had it washed, twisted, styled, all that good jazz. Not feeling any bad itchy spells. Maybe from the style a little here and there. But I'm good to go. Really doctored up my roots. Haven't had that done in a while. Shout out to TK. Shout out to Queen, hooking me up. As you can see, I can't stop looking at it since I took it out. Been a while since I had them, But we out here. Stay tuned, more to come. Just had to update y'all with that. Got the takedown. Ooh. Still representing. Cause I ain't got no sweaters. If you got a clothing line you want it promoted, send it to me. I will wear it. I need something new to wear in the video. Anyway. got any questions, put it in the comments. If you got anything to say, put it in the comments. I will be back. Until next time, this is your boy. I'm out. Peace.